Did you know that explosive decompression can turn a human body inside out in less than a second? November 1983, the Byford Dolphin oil rig in the North Sea. 5 saturation divers were returning from deep water work when their diving bell suddenly lost pressure. 4 men died instantly. Their bodies exploded outward as the pressure dropped from 9 atmospheres to 1. Bones shattered, organs burst through skin, blood boiled in their veins. One diver survived long enough to see it happen. He watched his crewmates destroyed in a fraction of a heartbeat. The ocean doesn't forgive mistakes.